Hello, my name is John Holland. I'm the lead developer on the Facebook Chatbot Tokenization proof of concept. I've been involved in the technology space for decades. I have a software engineering degree from Georgia Tech. The exciting thing about this project is we're kind of at the crossroads of interactive technology with chatbots and the blockchain. Thank you, OST KIT. My home office is in sunny South Florida, and I look forward to working on this project and seeing the successes of all the other teams.
We have established a basic coin toss chatbot that tracks wins and losses in Facebook Messenger. Our proof of concept will demonstrate our Facebook Messenger based coin toss game triggering transactions with the OST kit. A correct guess of heads or tails will be rewarded one branded token by way of our middleware that bridges the two systems. Transactions recorded on the branded blockchain may also be used to tally a score when requested by the user. Documenting our process will open the door to thousands of other Facebook Messenger developers learning how to tokenize their Messenger ecosystems with OST KIT. Our progress so far has been to improve a working coin toss bot to keep score for our user. We have recorded correct coin toss guesses from the bot to our interim data record. Our team has set up our middleware and triggered transactions via OST KIT API and recorded this on OST View. The next step will be to replace the interim data record with the middleware so the Messenger bot will communicate correct guesses and reward tokens while recording transactions on OST View. Hello, I'm Chris Campbell, team leader. I look forward to launching our proof of concept and adding to the OST KIT knowledge base.